Before we are going to multiply these two fractions, we have to check what we can reduce first. Okay, probably you are seeing that we have 2 in the numerator of first fraction and 8 in the denominator of the second fraction. I can reduce 2 by 2 and 8 by 2 because 2 is divisible by 2 and 8 is also divisible by 2. I cannot do anything with these two numbers. That's why my problem is going to look like this right now. 1/7 times 5/4. Okay, now we can perform the multiplication. Remember, anytime we multiply fractions, we have to multiply numerator by the numerator and denominator by the denominator. So if 1 times 5 is equal 5 and 7 times 4 gives me 28. This is the solution to my problem.